right, let's take a moment. How often do we think about all the little details that go into making a home? I mean, we've seen the framing go up, the structure take shape, but now we're getting into the fun stuff.
This is when our home really starts to look like our home. The fit-off stage is where everything comes together, and it's a huge shift from the rough construction phase to the final touches.
Fit-off stage is when everything starts coming together. It's like the home's final makeover. Walls, cabinetry, floors, everything is getting prepped for the last layer of polish. Really makes a house feel finished.
This stage is all about detail and precision. We're making sure every inch of the space is perfectly prepared for the final elements that turn a construction site into a livable, comfortable home.
Think of the fit-off stage like getting a haircut. You've already got the basic shape, like a good haircut foundation. But now it's time for the trimming, the shaping, and the finishing touches to make it all come together. Just like a haircut makes a person look polished, the fit-off stage is what makes the house feel complete and ready for the final styling. In this episode, we are taking you inside the fit-off stage, where the structure of the home is ready for finishing. This is the stage where we prep everything for painting, install cabinetry, and get all of the essential details in place. From the stone walls to the stairs, everything is coming together.
Exactly. From floor to ceiling, every part of the home is fine-tuned, and the finishes start to give the house its final look and feel. Let's walk through the fit-off stage and show you exactly how it's done.
We are out at Mount Dunedin at our Satella project. This is our high-performance home. Come on through and we'll show you what we've been up to. This one here is our UPVC door. Once you come around, have a look at how thick that one is. This is a beautiful rock feature wall that we have here in the home. It actually wraps around the garage and comes into the home. Down into the living space, we've got 3-metre ceilings here. The warm vibe that you're getting here is the paint colour. We have gone with a llama quarter strength that actually has quite a bit of a creamy orangey tinge, which really brings out the colours in the feature rock here. Outside here, there's going to be a deck. This is on the east side, so that's going to be all decked in. This gets all the eastern light, which floods a lot of sunlight in here. And this is into sort of our kitchen, living, dining area. So we've got our beautiful cabinetry starting to go in. And my favourite part is this Meganite solid surface. So we've got these bench tops starting to go in. Arches all coming along really beautifully through into the pantry. This is really a butler's pantry. So it's quite large. It's going to have our sink, dishwasher. This is going to be the drop zone. And we've got a servery that is going to go out onto the north deck. We'll head upstairs. Oh, so right. Now we are in the upstairs area. This is actually a 4-bedroom home. So there's a guest bedroom downstairs with an ensuite, but I'll take you through to the master. So really, we wanted to capture a lot of the natural light in the home. So lots of windows here. We've got a half-height wall, which I love. You know, you can stick all your little photo frames and pot plants and things there. Some beautiful Robert Gordon lights are going here. We walk through the walk-in row, which has again got that beautiful cabinetry, and then into the ensuite. So we've just done all of the waterproofing in here. We've actually got some of the solid surface stone down here ready to go as well. And this one's not far off being tiled. So I'd say in the next week or two, we'll be able to show you a full tiled bathroom. Now that you've seen the fit-off stage firsthand, you might be wondering, why is this stage so important? Well, it's not just about making the house look great. It's about ensuring that everything in the home is built for performance and long-term comfort.
The fit-off stage is where the home starts to come together. but it's also about setting up for long-term efficiency. We're making sure that things like cabinetry, walls, and finishes are installed perfectly, but also we're working on details that impact the home's durability and overall comfort.
Take this rock wall, for example. These walls aren't just there for looks. They've been specifically designed with families, especially those with young children in mind.
The robust nature of the rock wall means that they can handle a lot of everyday impact, like children running around or accidental knocks. And while they help with the home's thermal efficiency, they are also built to withstand the day-to-day challenges of family life, from bumps to spills without showing much wear.
So while the fit-off stage may seem like it's all about getting things ready for the final touches, it's also one of the most critical stages for ensuring that the home is efficient, functional, and comfortable. Everything from wall prep to cabinetry installation is carefully planned to contribute to the overall performance of the house.
In a high-performance home like ours, no detail is too small. It all adds up to create a home that's energy efficient, comfortable, and built to last. So even though we're focusing on finishes, we're also making sure that everything we do will lead to a better performance down the line.
Next time, we'll show you how we test everything to ensure that all the work done during the fit-off stage has been successful, including our airtightness and energy efficient testing.
Thanks for joining us on this tour of the fit-off stage. We can't wait to take you through the next steps in our journey to your perfect home.